Hey guys, so in today's video I'm just going to show you guys a quick video of how to install these LED kits on the high beam for the DRLs on an Accord, where you don't have to disable them and kits that will actually work on there. These are the cheap ones people sell online for usually like $15 to $25. They're very dim, as you'll see in the video, which a lot of people, these are not considered an LED kit. Don't use these on your headlights. These are basically made just for fog lights only. They're very dim. You won't light up the road at all with these things. They're more just for the color, so you could change the color of having that ugly factory yellowish bulb. This LED kit is the one that I put on the Accord in this video. It still works very well, just like this one was doing for the DRL, and you'll see the big difference in how bright these things light up. So I'll go ahead and post that video. I'll put the link for the description on the kit that I'm using. We're going to be selling these kits for $65, so you guys could buy them from us for $65. They're going to come with 1-year warranty. The cheapest I found these on Amazon was for $70, so we're trying our best to beat prices that we see from any of our competitors.
Hey guys, so I'm going to see if some LED kits work on this Honda Accord as a DRL. Usually the only ones that I get to work without like a decoder or something are those little cheap ones. I don't know if you could see too good on the video. They look kind of bright on the video, but they're actually very dim in person. Alright, so you guys could definitely see the light output difference. That's the side that has an actual LED kit on it now for the DRL, which one I'm using is this one. And the driver's side, from this angle it looks like it's not even on, but that's the little cheap ones that people sell online. They're like 15, 20, $25 a pair. So you could definitely see the difference. And so you can see that the light is on. Also, I mean, in person you could tell the huge difference. When I put it against the wall, you could tell the huge difference. When you see it in the camera, the other side looks actually like it'd be just as bright as this side, but it's not. It's way dimmer. Alright, so on the 13 to 17 Accord, to take out the high beam, it's the one closer to the grill. You just twist it counterclockwise, pull it out. You don't do it when your lights are on either, because if it's a regular bulb, it's going to burn you. This bulb doesn't pull really any power, so it's not hot at all. You got to pinch this clip and pull it to separate it. I'll just leave that down there. If you guys got HID or LED already or halogen bulb, don't leave it, because if the bulb's touching something plastic, it'll melt it. On the driver's side, it's a little bit of a tighter spot. This one has that LED kit already. So this one, also same thing, don't do it when the car's on because you have that belt right there. I'm just going to move this so I can show you guys what I was talking about. You just pull this up off that bracket, and then you could shove your hand in there to twist it to unlock it. And then when you're done, you just make sure that's lined up with the bracket and push it back on. Jiggle around, make sure you put it back in the right spot. These are going to lock in different ways. For some reason, Honda decided to make, there's a little arrow pointing down on the top on this side. So that's where the top base of the bulb pushes in to lock in. And on the Accord on the passenger side, can't really see it on the camera, but there's the arrows on the side, which means this bulb's going to lock in. The top's actually going to be pointing on this side when you push it in to lock it in place. These specific LEDs that I'm putting on here are able to be used as a 9005 or 9006. They are cooled with the fan. They give 1-year warranty on those, and there's free shipping on our website. If you're using it for like a 9006, you use these thicker rubbers. If you're using it for a high beam, which is 9005 on most cases, or DROs, then use the bag that says 9005. Put that rubber on the base right here before you put the bolt in. If it feels like it's too loose with the 9005 rubber, just take it off, put the 9006 one. I'll show you guys how it looks right now after I'm done with the other side. And again, you can see a big difference. That's the LED kit, and that's the cheap little bulb. It doesn't look like it lights anything up. Alright, so one more thing, when you plug this in, it's only going to turn on one way. So if it doesn't turn on, plug in this way, flip it around the other way. One side's ground, one side's power. For some reason, the manufacturer did not put a plus and minus on here. So when you plug it in, especially if you have an outer base like that one, and it doesn't go in all the way, you're going to have to push a little hard. Make sure it's plugged in the right way before you guys turn on, because it will only turn on one way. So I plugged it in this way, it turned on, so then I plugged it in, pushed it all the way till I heard it clip in place. Now the bulb's off. Same thing, I don't suggest putting them on when they're on, just because the chips do get hot on LED kits and HID kits and stuff. Anyways, HIDs I don't ever suggest for DRLs, even with like a decoder, they don't ever seem to work. Usually you got to disable your DRL light to make them work. I'm setting it on metal right now. I'm going to shut it off and then put it in so you guys can see. Alright guys, so that LED kit actually does work. That's the DRL's on right now. That's the low beam. So that's the DRL. And then when you flip it on high beam, it actually gets brighter. No bypass or decoders or anything needed. And for these that are working on DRLs, I'll be adding like to the description what other vehicles they work on without needing any type of bypass as we start trying them on more and more vehicles. So I'll try and keep that list updated so that we know and so you guys know.